Thank you for tuning in to clickorlando.com. Here's what's going on in the weather department. Not a lot. Today was one of those quiet days, at least, Saturday. Sunday looks like it's going to be a repeat of Saturday, so not expecting a lot of rain. Now, when that happens, what you can expect is that the heat of the day is going to hang around well into the evening hours, and so expect it to be hot even overnight. As far as rain goes, didn't see a lot of that. Not going to be changing any records anytime soon. Most of the action was down over South Florida, although there was a little bit of activity in western Volusia County. Saw some pop-ups around Orange County. 93, the official temperature, hot temperature for Saturday in City Beautiful. Not a record, though. Overnight, lack of rain. The heat lingers, as we were just talking about. Chance of rain, it's only 20% tomorrow, so expect that to be a repeat of what we did Saturday with more of the same, including the heat. Yeah. Speaking of heat, the big high pressure systems are in control. And when you got a lot of high pressures in control, you got lots of sunshine. Therefore, you get a lot of heat. Winds will be out of the east tomorrow. That means some showers will get going and then past I-95, and then they'll push slowly toward the inlet areas. Should be good for boating. Not bad for the beaches. Always check with your lifeguards. This is what should happen as we push into the evening hours. I think overnight we'll see a little bit of heavy shower activity push mostly on the west side. But as the evening wears on, we get around midnight, things taper off, and overnight things are very, very quiet. So then as we start the morning on Sunday, activities confined to the Gulf of Mexico, a couple of areas down around Tampa, St. Pete, Tampa Bay. But as the day wears on, I think some of those showers will nudge their way inland. Then we start looking at the East Coast. What we're concerned about is if the East and the West bump into each other, and that's a possibility. But by 4 o'clock, that doesn't seem to be the weather picture. But by 8 o'clock, it could be. So again, if you've got some daytime activities planned, no problem. Enjoy, but also be aware that we could be talking about some rumbles and roars as we push into the evening hours. Overall, by the time we get into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we'll get a little bit more back to normal, more of those afternoon thunderstorms. But beach weather for tomorrow, 90. That's the air temperature. Water temperature is 86. Not bad for your toes. Light chop on the Intracoastal for you boaters. All looks good. Temperatures overnight, 72 in Palm Coast, 74 in Leesburg, 74 in Kissimmee, 77 in Cocoa Beach. City Beautiful should drop to 74 degrees. It'll be a warm, muggy night. Here's what's going on hour by hour tomorrow. Pretty much what you expected. We start the day out mild but warm. Look, 77. We jump 13 degrees by the time we reach noontime. Less rain, same heat. That's not going to change. And your long-range forecast says we expect more of the same tomorrow. Sunday looks like it's going to be a 20% chance of rain, but as we push into the week, those 30s and 40% chances of rain reappear, and so we'll be dealing with some afternoon rumbles and thunder. Thank you for stopping by. I'm Danny Treanor. Thank you for tuning in to clickorlando.com.